Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel, Glam Girl. Today, we're diving into the world of self-care with a step-by-step guide on achieving a salon-worthy manicure and pedicure right at home. Whether you're a beginner or a beauty enthusiast, these simple practices will leave your hands and feet feeling pampered and polished. Prepare supplies: basin of warm, soapy water to well-foot scrub, pumice stone or foot filler cuticle stick nail clipper nail file moisturizer base coat. Remove old polish. Use nail polish remover to clean any existing polish from your nails. Soak your feet. Soak your feet in the warm, soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the skin and nails. Exfoliate. Use a foot scrub to exfoliate, focusing on heels and any rough areas. File and shape nails. Trim your toenails straight across, and then round the tips in a gentle curve using a nail clipper and file. Remove dead skin. Use a pumice stone or foot file to remove dead skin from the heels and the bottom of your feet. Cuticle care. Apply cuticle oil and gently push back the cuticles using a cuticle stick. Moisturize. Massage a rich moisturizer into your feet and calves. Polish optional. Apply a base coat, followed by your chosen nail polish color, and finish with a top coat for a polished finish. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process. For a relaxing at-home spa experience, please subscribe.